Welcome to G Fun Facts Online, the show that decodes the science behind our daily lives. Have you ever wondered why your friend can eat mountains of pasta and feel great, while the same meal makes you feel sluggish and bloated? Or why you're stuck in a weight loss plateau, even though you're following the latest diet craze to the letter? The answer, it turns out, might be hiding in plain sight, written into every cell of your body, your DNA. Today, we're diving into the incredible field of nutrigenomics, which is completely changing how we think about food. This isn't about another fad diet. It's about creating a plate that is perfectly tailored to your unique genetic blueprint. For decades, nutritional advice has been a one-size-fits-all deal. The food pyramid, calorie counting, low-fat, low-carb, these general guidelines have a purpose, but they totally ignore the fact that we are all biologically different. Two people can eat the exact same meals and have wildly different results because their bodies are programmed to process nutrients in their own unique way. This is where nutrigenomics comes in. It's the science that studies the complex conversation between our genes and the food we eat. By understanding this interaction, we can finally move beyond generic advice and toward a truly personalized plan for our health. Think of your genome, your complete set of DNA, as the conductor of a massive metabolic orchestra. This orchestra has over 20,000 genes directing everything, including how your body handles fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Tiny variations in these genes, called single nucleotide polymorphisms, or SNPs for short, are what make us unique. They influence everything from your eye color to your food sensitivities. For example, your genetic makeup can determine how efficiently you metabolize macronutrients. Some people have a genetic advantage when it comes to carbs. They might have multiple copies of a gene called AME1, which produces an enzyme in your saliva that starts breaking down carbohydrates the second you start chewing. More copies can mean more efficient carb digestion. On the other hand, a variation in a gene called APOA2 might make someone more likely to gain weight if they eat a diet high in saturated fat. It's not about fat being universally bad, but about how your specific body responds to it. Research even suggests that for people with a specific variant in the FTO gene, often called the fatso gene, a high-protein diet might be more effective for weight loss than it is for others. It's not just about carbs, fats, and proteins. Your genes also dictate your needs for essential vitamins and minerals. Take folate or vitamin B9. A common variation in the MTHFR gene can make it harder for your body to convert folate into its active form, which is crucial for things like DNA repair. Similarly, variations in the VDR gene, which is the vitamin D receptor gene, can affect how your cells respond to vitamin D, meaning you might need more than the standard recommendation to keep your bones and immune system strong. And then there are more serious genetic conditions, like hereditary hemochromatosis. This is caused by a variant in the HFE gene that makes the body absorb too much iron. For someone with this condition, taking an iron supplement could be genuinely dangerous. So how do you use this information? The rise of affordable, at-home genetic testing kits has made this science accessible to everyone. With a simple saliva sample, you can get a report that analyzes specific SNPs related to how you metabolize nutrients, your risk for certain deficiencies, and even potential food sensitivities, like lactose intolerance. Companies can then use these insights to provide personalized dietary recommendations. And it seems to work. Studies have shown that people who follow these DNA-based diet plans are often better at sticking to them and see better results in weight loss and blood sugar control compared to people on standard, one-size-fits-all diets. Knowing your genetic predispositions can be a powerful motivator. Now, it's important to approach this with a healthy dose of reality. The field of nutrigenomics is still young. While the promise is immense, the research is ongoing, and some studies show mixed results. And remember, your genes are only one part of a very complex health puzzle. Lifestyle factors like exercise, sleep quality, and stress levels also play a massive role. A balanced diet, rich in whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins, is going to be beneficial for everyone, regardless of what your DNA says. But the era of one-size-fits-all nutrition is clearly ending. Nutrigenomics is leading a revolution toward a more nuanced, individualized approach. As the science develops, the vision of a future where our diets are as unique as our fingerprints is quickly becoming a reality. By cracking your personal genetic code, you can unlock powerful insights to build a diet that truly works for you, paving the way for a healthier, more vibrant life. Thanks for tuning in to G Fun Facts Online.